Hey guys, in this video I want to talk to you about commenting in your R scripts for your projects. So as you know, at the end of the semester you're going to be making a project poster, and the project poster is important, but almost just as important is for you to turn in and show us the R code that you use to make all of the figures on your poster and do all the statistical tests that you'll be doing to answer your question. And whenever you turn in the R code, it's very difficult to tell what everything in an R code does. And to be honest, a lot of times we need, in general, people reading R code need assistance in knowing what's going on because it can be very long and a lot of things may not be intuitive. Some people may not know all the functions you're using. So it's a good habit to get in the habit of commenting on your R scripts. And so what commenting means is just giving some description of what each line or function, for loop, while loop does in R. And so to do this in R, all you have to do is go to a line and enter the pound sign or shift 3. And all this does is it tells R that everything to the right of this character on this, or to the right of this character on the same line, should be taken as text, a comment that has nothing to do with your code. So commenting has no effect on the way that your code comes out. So let's take a look at this code that I have written here. And I imagine that you're able to tell kind of what some of this stuff does. However, it's confusing and it would be much easier if we just commented on it. So a well-commented and an easy-to-read R script is going to have plenty of comments to let us know what's going on. And to be honest, if you revisit your code after a few days and you've forgotten what you were doing, then it's pretty handy to see lots of comments in it because then you're not lost in your R script. So it's really important to comment in R. So right now, I mean, who knows what any of this stuff is? So this is the mean of beta distribution, and this should be really informative, and this is the variance. And so here is our ruler. And so a well-commented R script is going to have comments not necessarily on every line, but describing all of the main things that go on. So this is a plot of a sampling distribution, for example, say, and this is and we can do lower bound. And so this should make a whole lot more sense to somebody who's reading this than just the R code. And the coolest thing about all of this is that even after all of the comments, everything runs. So just remember to write lots and lots of comments in your R scripts as you are doing them. The more that you write, the easier it'll be for you to remember what you did, and the easier it'll be for other people to be able to tell what you did, which is ultimately the goal of your project anyways. So long story short, make lots of comments.